And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Oh, driving into work today, I had to get the gas, and I'd stop at Coventry. And for the first time in December, I get out, I'm pumping my gas, and I actually felt cold, and I was annoyed. And I had to get back in. I didn't even fill up the whole entire tank. I was trying to get out of there so fast because it was cold today. Temperatures only in the upper 20s and low 30s right now. That wind this morning cut right through you. Good news is that wind has backed off during the afternoon, but still very chilly out there. Setting the stage for what will be a little snow. High pressure controlling the weather today. But believe it or not, it's a warm front that will lift north as we go into tonight, and that will trigger the snow across the area. It's still back pretty far to our west, so it's got some hours to get here. So if you have plans for the rest of the afternoon, evening, clouds are building in right now, but the dry conditions will last all the way to almost 3 o'clock in the morning. So if you're doing some shopping this evening, or you're going to be, running some errands, going to the grocery store, dry conditions expected at least through midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. I mean, if you're going Christmas shopping really late, I guess you'd have to worry about it after 1 a.m. But notice the temperatures, though, kind of sitting back in the mid-20s. What will be different with this system? Remember, I think it was the other Wednesday, last Wednesday night, we had that little light snow event. About half an inch fell across the area, and the road stayed mainly just wet. The difference with this system, though, is once the snow starts to come down late tonight, early tomorrow, we've had a cold day today. We'll have a cold night tonight. That snow is going to stick to the roads a little quicker than it did in the last system. So therefore, I expect a little bit more in the way of slippery roads early tomorrow morning. Eventually, we'll get some sunshine in the afternoon. And the temperatures remain cold tomorrow, only in the mid to upper 30s, even when we do pop a little sunshine in the afternoon. So what to expect? We have two systems from now through Christmas Day. The first one comes tonight. Snow comes in late, it lasts early Friday. And I'm forecasting an inch of snow. Most locations will be probably below that, but a slippery early tomorrow. Now, if you have plans to get stuff done tomorrow and you don't feel comfortable driving in snow, and I get that. A lot of people have that different threshold, An inch of snow. For me, I drive in it, but for others, maybe not. Just give it some hours until the afternoon. You can run your errands tomorrow afternoon and be fine. The system is really early in the day, and then it moves out. And we have another one coming in for Christmas Eve night. Now, for those of you that are going to midnight mass Christmas Eve, I think when you leave midnight mass, you should be okay. Some snow, some freezing rain will come in sometime about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning, and it will be a bit slick in the morning before changing over to all rainfall. That process will be faster at the coast, slower inland. Let's show it to you in Futurecast. We have generally cloudy skies for tonight. There's that snow by 2 a.m. Notice how it's not real organized. A lot of it's just some snow showers. Comes together a bit in the morning. If you're going to have an area that gets a little more than an inch, probably South County, you could maybe go 1.5 inches. But by 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11, it's already moving out and therefore popping some sun in the afternoon and just a cold afternoon. Going to Friday night, which is Christmas Eve, through midnight, got it dry, but by morning you see a little pink. That's some sleet, some freezing rain, probably some snow mixing in. But at the coast, temperatures will warm up very quickly. You turn over to rain. That process will take a little longer inland, but we all turn out to be just plain rain throughout much of the afternoon on Christmas Day. The system doesn't end until we get to Sunday morning. Then it moves out, flurries Monday, and then a chance of rain for the middle part of next week. Tiffany.
Thanks, Jeff. So our Christmas